How to clean your magnetic central heating filter. There you go, that's the filter. Obviously there's the boiler. There's the filter again. And these are the tools you need. The spanners provided with the filter and a radiator bleed key. You'll also need a bowl or a bucket to catch what you drain off. Firstly, go to the two keys at the back. See them here? Turn them into the off position. There you go, that one's off. And this one's stiff. That one's off. Next, you'll need a key, a small key or spanner. Put it under there. Make sure your bowl's underneath. Unlock that. Wrong way, I think. That way. And drain. The contents. Oops. There you go, good sound effects. That's what your bowl's for. To catch that lot. Now, if you want, you can do this, the bleed key. That should let out all the water. And it's all been caught nicely in there. That'll stop the missus moaning. Wait till that's empty. Right, I've undone that. And now you'll see just how much crap these take out of the radiators, the central heating system. Oh. Well, that's not bad. That just shows how well they're working. Last time I did that, there was tons on there. But these really are a good bit of kit. Right. We'll take that to a sink and I'll show you the next stage. Here we are in the sink with the mucky part and the magnet. Pull the magnet off, like so. I'm doing this one-handed. And basically just wash off the muck. Put that up there. This is another fit. And then just wash off. Like so. And one come off. Completely wash it. It's clean. This is cold water I'm using. There you go. Anyway, here we are back in the cupboard with a nice clean magnet part. So at least we know our radiators and systems being looked after and no muck. Anyway, next thing, tighten off this nut. You can now fill it up with 500 ml of inhibitor. This will save you doing it in the radiators. There you go, there's a full pot. Put the magnet back in carefully. Must have been more than 500 ml in there. That's great. Anyway, that's catching in my bowl. Good job I thought about it first. Lock it off with a big spanner. Not too tight. Get your bleed key. Turn it up a bit. It's still a bit open. Turn on the 2 taps. Now bleed it. There you go. Lock it off. Job done. Not too messy. And as I say, I just done that all one-handed, so if I can do it, anyone can do it. Don't forget to set your pressure on your water, as is just pull the blue lever down. There you go, ours runs about there.